Hi dear friends, welcome to Darshita's Creative World. Today, let's see how to draw a rainbow step by step. First, draw a reverse of U. Then, draw many U's until it becomes small. Then let's draw the clouds. Then draw the smiley face on the clouds. Then let's draw the sun. Then draw smiley face inside the sun. Then let's draw the clouds. Then let's draw the raindrops. Now your rainbow is ready. Please like, subscribe and share this video for your friends and families. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.